Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you chose to add either drop lines or high-low lines to your chart, you can format their display in Excel. To format lines, choose the set of lines to format from the Chart Elements drop-down in the Current Selection button group on the Format tab of the Chart Tools Contextual tab within the ribbon. Then click the Format Selection button that appears below the drop-down menu in the same button group. Alternatively, right-click the desired set of lines to format in the actual chart. Then select either the Format Drop Lines or Format High-Low Lines command from the pop-up menu. Using either method then shows the Format Lines task pane at the right side of the screen. Here you set the display of the set of lines. In the Line Options category, you can set the appearance of the desired set of lines within the chart. You can also choose other formatting categories to display in the task pane by clicking the desired category icon. The formatting options for the selected category then appear in collapsible and expandable lists at the bottom of the task pane. You can click the titles of each category list to expand and collapse its category options. You can set any options you would like within the task pane to immediately apply those changes to the chart. When you are finished, click the X button in the upper right corner of the task pane to close it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.